What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be looking at a GM Smart Key programming procedure. We're going to be doing it on a 2015 GMC Yukon here, but it will be the same on several different years. It's also going to be the exact same on the Tahoe and the Suburban. So for this procedure, it's going to be to add a key. You're going to need at least one working key already. So as you can see here, we have our working key, which is very worn, and then we have our new unprogrammed key that doesn't work yet. So we're gonna put that unprogrammed key away for just a second. And on our already working key, we're gonna take the emergency key out of the bottom. Hang on to that for just a second. We're gonna take the working remote that we just took the key out of and put it in the cup holder. So we'll just put it in there and leave it. Now we're gonna take the key that we just took out of it, put it in the driver's door, and we're gonna turn it to the left or counterclockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we look in here, we're gonna see it says ready for remote 2. So we're gonna take our unprogrammed remote and we're gonna put it in the transmitter pocket, and that's located in the center console, right here. So once you have that in there like that, you want to come over here and push the stop start button 1 time. Okay. And then we're going to remove the remote from the transmitter pocket and press either the lock or unlock button. At this point, if you have any additional remotes, you'll repeat that previous step for each remote. Putting it in the transmitter pocket, pressing the stop start button, and then when you remove it, press either the lock or unlock button. You can have up to 8 remotes programmed to the vehicle at one time. Once you're done adding remotes, we'll press and hold down the stop start button for 12 seconds to exit programming mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now this remote should work. The remote part works. Let me get the old remote out of the car just for a test. Could you take that, please? Just want to get that out of there to make sure that this remote will start the car on its own. And it does. That's a working remote. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it.